Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we are checking out an absolutely stunning 1969 Oldsmobile 442. Beautifully restored to factory correct standard. All numbers matching drivetrain, beautiful sound and dual exhaust, and excellent condition all the way around. So not only does this car sound great, cosmetically it's excellent as well. Beautifully detailed engine bay. The numbers matching, original to the car, 400 has been painted up beautifully. Air cleaner's all been restored. It's got factory air, power steering, and power brakes, so fully loaded as far as options. Transmission's also numbers matching. It's a turbo 400. Got your correct stickers. Inner fenders are painted nicely. It's just one of those cars you don't have to make any excuses for. It's got nice paint. All your chrome and bright work was restored at time of restoration. The grille's in beautiful shape. Even these argent trim pieces here around the headlights have all been done. Body's really nice and straight. There's a couple little paint imperfections right here at the very front of that headlight brow. But hood fits excellent. Your trim around the hood is great. Love the 442 hoods on these 69s. It's got the Oldsmobile Rally wheels. Those have been restored, wrapped in wide oval tires as it would have been from the factory. Front fender's beautiful, new emblems. Really nice gaps too. Do you have one little stone chip right here on the bottom of the, way down low here on the bottom of the rocker. Other than that, all the way along the rocker, the corner of the door is all excellent. Door fits great. Door handles, door locks, all look brand new. This side chrome here, which is so beautiful on a 69 442, is restored in a really nice shape. Windshield looks nice and clear, and this is a good look at the top of the dash as well. You know, they didn't stop just at the paint and body on the restoration. They did the interior beautifully, including the top of the dash and dash pad. Final top's very nice. And it's too bad it's winter right now, because especially like this color, and this car is beautiful outside in natural light, but with our snow and current conditions here in Iowa, it's much better to do these videos inside. But very classy looking car. Love the color with the 442 stripes and the vinyl top. It's got the correct 442 back bumper with the trumpet exhaust. Back bumper looks new or re-chromed. It's got an excellent shine. And this is another thing I like about this car is the attention to detail. The trunk light works. Trunk's all jammed out beautifully. New latches. Got a spare tire in here under the cover. Trunk mat. Trunk looks good. It's got jack and tire iron there. Jam paint's very nice. Back glass looks good. Back package tray is proper. Vinyl top looks great. Looks like when they did the restoration, I mean, they did everything. They did it to kind of a show quality standard. Nice and straight up and down the sides. Doors fit well. And new door handles on the driver's side as well. Driver's side corner of the door fits excellent. No issues down along this rocker and this dogleg area here in front of the rear tire. Only thing I see is this driver's side mirror is original, so you do have some pitting and stuff on that. That would be one simple thing a guy could do if you wanted to, because the rest of the exterior chrome looks excellent. Driver's side front fender looks good. And the interior on the 442 is very, very nice. All your interior dome lights work, the console light works, headliner's tight, back seat's in excellent shape. Even your chrome trim around the front buckets looks new. Door panel's in great shape. Armrest bases and pad. Then you look at the corner of the door. Beautiful door jamb paint. It's got the proper stickers. Corner of the door is rust-free, super clean. Bottom side of the door is all painted nicely. And I believe your light in the console even works for your shift indicator, which you rarely see. Dash lights work. Clock, it's got the tick-tock tack clock with the tack surrounding it. The clock works and the tack works. Look at the passenger side and then we'll take it for a spin. Jam paint's excellent here on the passenger side. Bottom of the door is great. And you can check out the undercarriage photos on our site, coyoteclassics.com. Did new scuff plates. Seats look comfortable too, all new padding and foam. Dash looks nice. Just an excellent example of all numbers matching 69-442 with factory air. Everything is windows go up and down with ease. You have nice rubbers too. Roof rail rubber looks good. Okay, we'll take her down the road, but first we're going to go through and show you what's all working. So the horn works in the factory spot. As we mentioned, the clock works. And the gauges, I'm going to borrow that from you quick, Blake. The cleanliness of the gauges on this is excellent, if we can get the sun blocked out. But all the lenses and bezels are very, very nice. Gas gauge works. The clock and the tack work. You can have that back now. The wipers work. So does the heat and air conditioning. And AC is a great option to have in one of these. Let's see. Upgraded radio.
Squeezing into a parking spot.
That works and sounds good. Speedometer works. It's got 61,000 miles on the odometer. Carries good oil pressure. And looks like the temp gauge works as well. Brakes are excellent, stop nice and straight. And I love these 442s. They call them the gentleman's muscle car. You know, just a little bit classier in their time, you know, than your Chevelles. They had all the wood grain trim and the more deluxe interior. It still had all the performance. I'll warm it up a little bit more here. It's quite cold today. This car came out of a state that doesn't have winter, so the carburetor is probably not used to this 15-degree weather. So we'll run it easy here going up the road and then get on it a little bit more on the way back, let that carb warm up. Speedometer works. There we go. Kickdown works. Goes down the road nice too. It's got bias ply tires on it. You know, kind of going along with that more factory correct restoration. And those bias ply tires are never big fans of the real cold, but really it goes down the road. Goes down the road nice, even in today's temperatures. So here's your brakes. They stop awesome, nice and straight, no pull left or right. Power steering works well. Nice shifts. I feel so bad for these old cars when we got to drive them in the winter, but I want to at least show you how they go down the road. And obviously, with really cold temperatures like we're having right now in Iowa and kind of all across the country, you know, they're not going to perform at their utmost. But really handles nice. Engine runs nice and smooth. It's got a great sound. Your air works. Just a beautiful example of a well-restored 1969 442, all numbers matching. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.